Welcome to my channel. I'm Zhan Xu. Let's look at the problem 65 in chapter 32. Chapter 32 is about light, reflection, refraction. Now we look at this system. We have an object. It's a triangle, right? The angle A is theta angle A is 60 degrees. So now we can say we need to find the index of this object. So the given quantity is this object is surrounded by air. So that means the N air is 1. Theta 1 is given as 45 degrees. And also theta 4 is given as 90 degrees because it tells you this is totally internal reflected at outside. So this one tells you the theta 4 is 90 degrees. Theta 1 is given. Ask you to find n for this object. So now we can write down Snell equations for this process. At the first interface, this part, we can say n L times sin theta 1 equal to n times sin theta 2, right? So theta n sin theta 1 equal to n times sin theta 2. And in this interface, we can see this, we have n times sin theta 3 equal to NL times sin theta 4. The next one, we need to input the theta A because theta A is another given quantity. So we can look at this triangle. Look at this triangle, we can see this angle, how much? It's a 90 degree minus theta 2, right? 90 degree minus theta 2 plus this angle 90 degree minus theta 3 plus theta A equal to 180 degree, right? Now you can see we get these three equations. We need to solve n. So first one, we can say NL given, theta 1 given, n don't know, theta 2 don't know. So we can write the theta 2 as the NL times theta 1 divided by the n, right? And NL is 1, so we can write it this way. Now we look at the second equation. N we don't know, theta 3 we don't know, NL is given, theta 4 is given, and theta 4 is 90 degrees, so sin 90 degrees equal to 1, NL is 1. So in this case, we can write sin theta 3 as 1 over n, right? So now we get this one too. And now we can see we can simplify this equation. You can see 90 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180. So now we have theta 2 plus theta 3 equal to theta 8, right? So now we have these three equations simplified. So how can we solve it? It looks really difficult. But now we can see for these three equations, the repeated quantity is theta 3. So it looks like we can just focus on the theta 3, right? So theta 3 in this equation is 1 over n, and theta 3 can also be written as theta A minus theta 2, right? So because the sin theta 3 is 1 over n, and sin theta 3 can also be written as sin theta 2, theta A minus sin theta 2. So now we can expand this equation, come to there, right? Yes. Now we write it this way. This is we just get. See, we just get this one. Now we have theta A, this one is given. Theta 2, we don't know yet. Theta A given, theta 2, we don't know it, but we have 1 over n. And this side, we have theta 2 and theta 1. Theta 1 is given, theta 2, we don't know yet. It looks like we can replace 1 over n, so we can solve the sin theta 2, right? So now we can see 1 over n can be written as sin theta 2 minus sin theta 1, right? So now the equation looks like this one. In this equation, we can see sin theta 2 given, cosine theta, sin theta A given, cosine theta 2 not given, cosine theta A given, sin theta 2 not given, sin theta 1 given, sin theta 2 not given. So the only unknown quantity is theta 2. We solve this equation, we can get theta 2 as 24.3 degrees. Now you can see theta 2 is given. Can you find n? Yes. The n is just sin theta 1 divided by sin theta 2. Input theta 1 and theta 2, you get the final answer there. Thank you.